I recorded this a little bit earlier. Got to trade the New York Open today. Was staying at a friend's house, so I couldn't do audio, but I had a good morning. Had over a 90% win rate. Traded just for the first hour of the New York Open, and now it's deep in the Asia session, and I'm in another state. Got my own place again so I can make some more videos. There are tons of great sales going on at the prop firms. I just got a new TradeDay account. TradeDay is just seeming better and better. I've got it on Tradeify here so I can load it up with all my other accounts and do the copy trading. But with TradeDay, you can now get 6 accounts with them. Used to be only 3, now it's 6. And they've got some crazy 40% off sale, no activation fee. You can get same-day payouts with TradeDay, and there's not a bunch of crazy rules. And they've been around for 5 years now. Pretty stoked on TradeDay. And Take Profit Trader also has 40% off and no fee. Tradeify has 50% off. Apex has 80% off. Definitely a good time to get some accounts if you're looking. And anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely super amazing, awesome. You're the best. Thanks for the support. This morning, this is what the 1-minute chart looked like. Here's the 9 o'clock candle. We've been coming down overnight. Red on the Heikin Ashi 60-minute candles for quite some time. I definitely had my eyes on shorts, and pretty much every time we came up to this 250 SMA, I was shorting. We were still below VWAP. Total choppy mess, but I took a bunch of shorts there. You see volume was just decreasing by the black insides of these candles for most of the first 10 minutes of the New York Open. And when we did get the volume increase with these white insides of the candles, they were just tiny little dinky candles, and there was key levels in the way. We had volume decreasing as we were coming up to VWAP. When we came up to VWAP, I was looking for a VWAP bounce. Then the 10 o'clock news came out, and it really didn't do too much. We got a little spike there, wicked off of VWAP, and chopped around for a little bit. Then we started having delta and volume pickup. We had delta steadily rising for a few candles there. Heikin Ashi background turned green. Then we got some strong delta. Nice full body candle, lots of volume, closing above VWAP. That was a good spot to get long. The last short that I got into was right up here near the pivot point. Took a little bounce trade, thinking that this big delta spike might be some exhaustion. On the longer term, I was still bearish. If we would have broken and closed above the pivot, probably would have hopped out. Then volume let off the gas here, started increasing to the downside. We had the Heikin Ashi turned red. Volume increasing as we're moving down. We had a bunch of negative delta coming in. Delta just steadily dropping off here. Made it all the way down to yesterday's open. Had a nice wick off of yesterday's open. Point of control drawn down into the wick. Had a little bounce there. And it's after 10:30. Really looking forward to making more videos, making some more regular content. And absolutely going to be trying out the live streaming here before the end of the summer. Got a little bit more messing around to do. And then I'm excited to get focused and have an amazingly productive rest of the year. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Hope everyone else has been having some great trading. There are links to all the indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.